Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. I hope you guys are having a good day. Well, today I have my IPSY Glam Bag to open, and this is for June. A little late, but that's okay. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, please stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. I hope you guys are doing well. And today is actually Saturday, and I was able to actually see one of my very best friends, and we were able to go get a pedicure safely. And also we had brunch and went to the Container Store and bought a couple of things. And it's been a long time. It's been over a year now since we worked together. And even though we see each other on video ever so often, and of course on Zoom, hear our voices, I hadn't seen her in forever, but it was just so good to get together with her. And so anyway, hi Mia. And so, in case she's watching. So anyway, before we get started with the IPSY Glam Bag, and this is the base bag. And so, but I want to do our daily affirmations. And those of you who's been with me a while, you know we do daily affirmations, and we did the other box. This looks a little different, and this is only the second time that we're using this card. But yeah, it's a new deck, and this one is actually affirmation cards for women, okay? And so as we do our daily happy affirmations, let's go ahead and do one. Okay, let's see what we have today. We have Today, negative thoughts will not be welcome. That's a good mantra, right? And that's really easy to remember. Today, negative thoughts are not welcome. And so, yeah, I mean, a lot of times, many of us really ruin our days actually by getting up, and the first thing we think of, things are negative. And sometimes in the environment that we live in and the conditions we might be under, and you know, it might be one thing or the other, you know, work, personal, whatever the reason might be, you know, it's human nature to think of the negative things first. And so it is really a effort to get up on the right side of the bed and say, you know what, I'm not going to let negative thoughts get in my way today. Not today. No. And that's really simple to do every morning, because it's not hard to remember, right? Today, negative thoughts will not be welcome, right? And so you don't even have to say it in that word, but you know, no, I'm not going to do it. And so it's really important that you start your day that way, because you really set the tone when you get up in a negative manner or with negative thoughts. And, you know, you heard the saying, I've said this in my other videos, is that, you know, gosh, she must have got up at the wrong side of the bed, because that person is constantly negative, right? And then I've heard even people say, I think she's only got that negative side of the bed, you know, the bad side of the bed, because I never see her get up on the right side of the bed, right? And so you really don't want to be that person, because you don't really hurt anybody but yourself. You know, people may, I mean, you hurt yourself because people don't want to be near you, and you give off energies that may be negative, and you know, you really need to try to change that. And I've not always been a positive person, and it just took many years of work, but it takes effort to be happy. But I'd rather give it effort to be happy than not to give an effort at all and be miserable all the time, right? So think about that, okay? No negative thoughts today. And say it every morning. It's real easy to remember. And easy to remember, easy to say, but a little bit hard to do. You have to put a little effort. Just remember that, okay? And a little bit of effort doesn't hurt to be happy. Okay, so that's that. And so let's move on. And my IPSY bag is a little bit late. Actually, I got this yesterday. Today's Saturday. Yeah. And so it's kind of weird, you know, how, I mean, a lot of people have already gotten it, and I get them in random times. And at one point I said it's probably part of my post office too, but I noticed that it goes to, for some reason or another, even though it's within the United States, it goes to DHL to the post office. And a lot of times the post office says we're waiting for the shipment from the sender. So I don't get it. So, okay. Anyway, so here we go. Because you know, the thing about IPSY is you know what you got if you look in your profile, right? They know what, you know what they sent you. And a lot of times, you know, I don't look, But sometimes I do, and this time I did look, but now I can't remember what it is because I was thinking about, you know, in the middle of the month, about, you know, the 13th or the 14th. I said, okay, I haven't gotten it yet. I wonder what I got. And I looked, and I remember not being really happy about it, but, you know, not being happy about it, meaning like, I may not be able to use these things, but let's see, because I don't quite remember. But one thing's for sure, I love the bag. I love this little bag. And these lips here, they're actually sewn on, so it's not like flush. And I like it because it's a little bit of extra, you know, cuteness here. And as you guys know, it does say IPSY on all of the bags, and just letting you see that. And I love these because I can do so many things with them. Okay, and as you know, we get these cards, and I've already done my Glam Plus, so I already know what this is. Here it is. And it says, do you. Okay, IPSY, do you. And let's see what it actually says. I gotta get all that noise to get my magnifying glass because I can't see. It says, bold moves only. This month, amp up everything that makes you happy. Glitter liners, rainbow accents. Celebrate the beauty that comes with being you. June 2021. Okay, so, and I think these, they tell you what's inside because there's a limit, there's a limited number of things here, okay? And as, in case you don't know about IPSY, IPSY is a beauty subscription. It's on a monthly basis, at least the basic Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus is, with a new subscription of, what do they call it? IPSY X, which is quarterly, and those are $49.95, but they only come quarterly, where these come monthly. And this one here is $14 a month, and is it 14 or 12? It's one of those, 12 or 14. Okay, but the Plus is $25, okay? And the difference is that you get some full-size products with the Plus, whereas with this, it's all deluxe samples, travel size type of things, which is okay because I do enjoy it. And I think, you know, for the amount of money I pay, I think it's worth it generally. But because I like the bags. So anyway, let's get going. The first thing I see here, it says here, Glow On Fifth Beauty Rose Gouache. Rose Gouache. Do you mean like the gouache? It's gouache paddle? Okay, I like gouache. I do gouache. And, okay. This is really funny because I thought when they were sending it to me that it was going to be the real rose quartz gouache. This is totally plastic. I have the real gouache, and wow. IPSY, why do you even bother? This is like a worthless piece of plastic. Okay. This is very surprising. I mean, they could have put something else in there. I mean, it's plastic. So let's see what it says here. It's inspired by ancient Chinese medicine. This facial massage tool helps flush out the lymphatic drainage system to increase blood flow and circulation. Use it daily to depuff, contour, and give your skin a vibrant, youthful glow. It retails for $12. I wouldn't pay $1 for it, guys, to be honest. This is almost offensive because I do have the real rose quartz one, and those cost, you can get a set of 3 from a regular size ones from, let's see, from Amazon for like $15. And they're saying this is $12, and this is like plastic. Wow. Okay, and I would not recommend using plastic. This is quite, you know, this is not good for your, for your gouache. And in case you don't know what a gouache is, this is when you drain your lymphatic system this way. But I do have New Face, the actual machine, and so this actually serves the same purpose, so I wouldn't be using this. I don't know whether to give this away at, you know, as a part of a giveaway or just throw it away, because I don't know. Well, maybe I'll just give it away as an extra, throw it in the box type of thing, but okay. Okay, positive, but that just floored me. That just surprised me. I thought at least it was a quartz one, but I guess not. Okay, the next thing in here is the Porefessional Super Sitter. Okay, and this is, I think, some kind of a spray, right? Yep, travel size. Okay, there it is. And this is, let's see, it's Benefit Cosmetics, the Porefessional Super Sitter Pore Minimizing Setting Spray. Okay, setting spray's okay, because I do use them. And, you know, these are great for travel instead of me carrying around one of my big bottles. So this, I mean, I will go ahead and keep that. But let's see what it says about it. It says, your makeup isn't complete without a few spritz of this superpowered setting spray. The lightweight formula instantly smooths and refreshes skin, blurs the look of pores, and mattifies excess shine with microfine powders, and locks your look into place for full 16 hours. It says, tip, shake well and hold it 8 inches from your face and then mist all over. And this is a travel size. It doesn't say how much this travel size is, but it does say the full size, which is 120 milliliters, is $32. So it's got a powder. I wonder. Yeah, okay, that's where you have to shake it. I wonder about that. And also, like, when they tend to have, like, MAC had this one that actually had a highlighter in it, which is very micro pearly fine. The problem is it clogged up. It clogged up, you know, the sprayer part clogged up and started spitting instead of like a fine mist. So I don't know if this will be the same case, but yeah, I'll go ahead and try when I should be taking a short weekend trip here coming up soon. So I think, and I'll go ahead and take it with me then. Okay, and the next product here is Grow Gorgeous, and it is hair care. And this is a repair serum of some kind, or repair cream. I'll go ahead and read this for you. I like hair products, actually, but I'm starting to get a lot of that, too, along with skincare. So this is Grow Gorgeous Repair Strengthening Hair and Scalp Mask. Okay, powered by niacinamide, essential minerals, and plant extracts, this super powered treatment mask supports a healthy scalp and strengthens damaged strands from within, leaving your hair shinier, healthier, and more resistant to breakage. Okay, it says apply to damp hair from roots to tips, leave on for 20 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. And the retail price for the full 200 milliliters, they come in 200 milliliters, is $30. But again, it does not say, you know, how much this sample size is. And I'm a little bit picky about what I put in my hair as well as on my skin. I know I'm just a picky person all around. But I don't know this company, so I'm gonna have to do a little more research on it and see what else is in here, because I mean the list of ingredients is like long as this bottle. That kind of makes me a little bit shy to use it, but I'll check it out and see. Okay, the next thing is, oh, this I recognize, and this is the Fab Farms. Here you go. I forgot what this company is called. It's really small, the print, but so let me take a look here for you guys. Okay, and this is First Aid Beauty. That's it. First Aid Beauty Fab Farms Arnica Relief and Rescue Mask. Sometimes, like us, our skin just needs to chill. Inspired by traditional pharmacy treatments, this nurturing mask is infused with a cocktail of potent herbal ingredients like anti-inflammatory arnica, centrella asatica, and calendula flower to soothe stressed out skin in just 15 minutes. So this is a mask, so to apply to clean dry skin and let it absorb for 15 minutes, massage any excess into your skin. Okay, so it's a leave-on mask. Interesting. Okay, so this is not full size, it is a sample size, but the full size is 96.4 grams decimal. And it's $32. So this is a leave-on mask. Very interesting. You know, I may go ahead and try this for Mask Monday, which I need to record soon. So I may just go ahead and do that because I do like this company. And, you know, I don't mind their products. So, yeah, that's one thing I guess I could try for you guys. And then the last thing in my bag looks like some kind of a miniature palette. And let's see here. Eyeshadow palette. It says, what? Let me see what it says. It does say that. Lower East Side, LES, eyeshadow. Okay, and I think there's a, okay, and this is the Punk Rock palette. Interesting. Okay, let me see. It is made in China, just so that you guys know. And let me see what this looks like. Oh, this is actually kind of cute. It's got the plastic. Okay, And let's see. Oh, these are nice colors. But I mean, these are the same colors I have over and over and over, right? So, yeah, I'm not going to go ahead and swatch this because I can always throw this as an extra in a giveaway. Because these things that I get that are miniature, I never make it as a part of that major, giveaway product. But I throw it in as just like an extra. And so, yeah. And I don't want to swatch it because of that. And I think that's all that's in this bag this month. Again, this is Lower East Side eyeshadow palette. 4 different colors, so it's a quad. And we have the hair mask for strengthening. And we have the Benefit Cosmetics, the spray for, what is it, setting spray? Yeah, setting spray. And then we also have this plastic gouache. I see that with a little venom in my voice. Gouache. And then the last thing is First Aid Beauty, and this is a leave-on mask. Okay? And so that's it, you guys. Let me know what you think. I don't expect a whole lot out of this bag, like I said. And the sad thing is, majority of the stuff they ever send in these bags are made in China, and so I don't think the value is actually, I know it's only $12 or $14 for the bag, and I'm okay with that because I mean the bag is actually really cute, so just for the bag it's worth it on most months. But yeah, I just wish that these companies would just, really focus on helping the economy here in the United States or in European countries by purchasing and also giving us products made in those countries. And because, I really like it when I see made in USA, and I don't mind it if it's made in France or if it's made in Germany and those places, or in Canada. That's great too. But yeah, especially I like it when it's made in the USA because it supports our local economy and our national economy, and that is so important. Instead of sending money, overseas. And of course, this is a capitalistic country, and so of course, the whole bottom line is how much money can we make as a corporation, right? So this is another reason why I like supporting mom and pop shops. So yeah. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, I hope you enjoyed the video. I know this was a real quick one, but I want you to go ahead and have a good day, have a good night, have a good week, or have a good weekend whenever you're watching this. But just remember, don't sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.